Hey everyone! Today, I want to show you how to make cover songs. Before that, you need to visit this website. You will find its link in the description. Its name is SongR AI. Here, you can see that you will get 4 options, but we'll move ahead with this option. And here, as we want a specific song, we write down the song we want. After writing the song, just hit Enter or click. After clicking, you will see the lyrics appear in front of you. If you don't like it, you just need to press Try again. After pressing it, it will generate new lyrics in a short while. Look, it has generated new lyrics now. If you like this song, simply click on Render after clicking. It will take more than 30 seconds to generate. Your song has been generated. Let's go ahead and play it.
The sun is up, the sky is blue. Today is a brand new day.
Press the download button to download this file. After this, you need to visit another website to separate the lyrics and music. You will find its link in the description. The name of this website is Vocal Remover. Here, you just need to click on the Browse File button and a new layout will open. You should select the file you just downloaded from your computer. Once you upload it, the website will start its work. In my opinion, it should generate the separated audio within 1 minute if your internet connection is good. Let's go ahead and mute the music, keeping only the vocal on.
Every day is just the same. I wake up and I feel the pain.
Now, let's save it. When saving, make sure to select only the vocal track. Let's move on to the next website. Its name is Kits. Log in here to use your credentials. This website can turn your lyrics into the voices of various artists. First, click on this button. After clicking, you can select any artist you like. For example, I am selecting this one. After clicking, a new layout will open. Here, you need to upload your audio, the one you want to generate with this artist's voice. Let's select the audio. After selecting it, you can see here, if you click on this advanced option, many options will appear in front of you. Without going through all of these, you just need to click on the Convert button. After clicking, the conversion process will begin. You can monitor it here. If you want to download this audio, just click on this button, and your audio will be downloaded. There you go. Your new artist's voice has been generated. Let's have a listen.
Every day is just the same. I wake up and I feel the pain.
If you want to listen to your favorite artist's voice, like Justin Bieber, click on Community Voices. After clicking, a new layout will open. Here, I am searching for Justin Bieber, but you can search for any artist's name. After typing it, your artist will appear. Just click on Use this after clicking, and the same procedure will follow. Alright, let's listen to Justin's voice in these lyrics.
Every day is just the same. I wake up and I feel the pain.
Now, let's move towards the last step. To use this app, you need to download it from Google. The name of this app is Audacity. The link of this app is already here in the description of this video. Here, you'll need to upload your music and audio. For this, you have to click on the Upper File button. After clicking, select the Import button and upload the music and the last generated lyrics from your computer into it. Audio is combination of music and the lyrics in the voice of Justin Bieber. Now let's play it.
Every day is just the same.
For save this audio, Click on the File button, and select the Export button, and select MP3 file to save audio.
Every day is just the same. I wake up and I feel the pain. I try to find a way to get out.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.